How to add loyalty card in Apple Wallet. In order to add loyalty card in Apple Wallet, now you can launch the camera from your home screen or by swiping up to access the control center. After which, what you want to do is point at the QR code logo. You want to click on the link at the top of the page. After which, you'll be taken to this page. You want to read all of the terms and conditions and then scroll down to the bottom and you want to click on I have read and agree to the terms and conditions. After which, you want to scroll down a bit and click on join now. Then you'll be able to see this sort of page. So over here, what you have to do is just wait a few seconds and you'll see your loyalty card. Tap on the add at the top right corner of the screen. Now this is very important. If you do not tap on add, then the loyalty card will not be added to your Apple Wallet applications. After which, your loyalty card is now stored in the Apple Wallet. You could check to see your loyalty card in the Apple Wallet by opening the app Wallet application. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.